This is Chuck here. Wolfpack Elite Bones and Security at its best. Big up Ramona Samuels TV, female Donald Trump in the business, one of the best entertainment farm. Flair, she got it.
It's 4:25 a.m. Activities going on outside Reggae Sumfest here at Catherine Hall Entertainment Complex. Just as much as activities on the inside. There may not be any performers, but there are vendors, patrons still coming in, and yes, some patrons leaving, but we're still in at the game. Hi, I am Ramona Samuels, and welcome to our coverage of Reggae Sumfest. You know that we're here courtesy of our kind sponsors. Our presenting sponsor, Prince the Bruce Perfume House, Metro Scene TV, Glam Sense Divas Beauty Bar, Kingston Jerk, CK Island Tours, and Ice Slayer Studio. We're not going anywhere, and we don't want you to either. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. We're going to talk to some people on the outside, and then we're going to dip in on the inside. All right, family and friends, I just caught up with Gavin. He's originally from Clarendon, but he's here in Montego Bay, St. James, making life. Him have him nice, pretty style, soup, jerk, and one bag of things. Gavin, is it something that you do often where you come to the huge events and you're a vendor selling and making some money for money? Give me a talk.
I'm a personal business, it's my personal thing at my home. 7 days a week, I cook and sell my food and delivery. My little business name, Rodney Home Cooking. That is my last name, so I'm just giving my last name, Rodney Home Cooking.
Oh, so you're Gavin Rodney from
yeah.
Rodney Home Cooking. Nice. So tonight, now talking about Sumfest and out here vendoring, you're touching style, all the things there.
Alright, I'm not go inside, but I'm out here from last night. Last night was crazy. But tonight, it was a downfall. Tonight was a downfall.
Oh, Jesus. What time you came out tonight?
From 4:30, I'm here.
And why has it been a downfall, Gavin?
Less crowd, less money spending. I can't tell you about inside because I don't go inside, but I can tell you about outside. As you can see it now, outside.
So last night you didn't even have hand for serve and them things. We could all come out and be a second, alright?
That's true.
Jaja. But I mean, you've still made money, haven't you?
Yeah. Still make a little. But if you didn't come out like last night, you would lose. So yeah. Through me in the system about 6-7 years. So I understand how Saturday night runs from Friday night. So you can't do spending like Friday night and Saturday night. Saturday night are going to be very slow.
So how does it work? Tell us, do you have to pay to be here? You have to get permission? How it works?
No, all of it just stay here free, but parish council move like normally they don't come like some people come like around 5 o'clock in the morning, 5 a.m. in the morning. So parish council we move them like 10 o'clock until like 6-7 o'clock. They spot them free up again for everybody.
So any artists come out here to your last night, any artists buying up now or it's there?
No, we never have it that way. But tourists always buy from us on our regular home first.
All right, Gavin, I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. We're going to touch on the inside right now. It's all about the final night, Reggae Sumfest. You know, it's been 7 days of a huge set of activities from Monday when it started. I know it's early morning Sunday. We're going to start it on Saturday. And we're going to see what on the inside. You know that we're here courtesy of our kind sponsors. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. We're not going anywhere. No.
Big up Ramona Samuel TV from Gavin in Montego Bay.
Whenever you hear me see I'm from the yard to the top of the chart, and that's why we ain't looking. So that's how you feel like. around with so much energy. Fill me with these melodies. Why? Oh gosh, my sweet inspiration. Yes, now come speak to me. I hear a song. Every word you say feels like a fine wine. Oh yes, I wanna take you with me everywhere. Listen to you every day. Why? Oh gosh, my sweet inspiration. Watch out! I spy that you see something you might. Won't you come over if you really mean it? Ask for your question, yes, I really mean it. Sing no man, say I spy that you see something you might like. Won't you come over if you really feel it? I say ask your question. What me tell him? Boom, but come and see you on your crew. You are boom and I go through. I can tell say you admire no and you are. Just relax and not go in your fears. I'm always conscious of just living come about. You couldn't think that tell you but I bet you love the drama. I'ma do you like it. More you're the Lila Ike fans, them a sing that one yeah. Sing on, I go. Say that you sing something you might like. Won't you come over if you really feel it? Go on. And him say, yeah, me never plan for you. But to all me say you move, you get me up. Then me go tell him say me cook too. When people will love cargo, fried chicken, rice and peas, I go.
If I lie, me I tell make lightning strike from the ceiling right now. If you know say blood money run Jamaica, hands up like this, hands up, looking at the crowd. Alright, me now watch no face, make no more party. Enough drugs, money, they are cherry you say gangsta, people is gangsta. Again, I me say, so, I mean, I tell it.
And she didn't know to tell him.
Say what?
She was in love with the Rasta.
Alright, let's see if you can use it in a sentence, see? Hey, I mean, say big sound string up, pick it up like whoa. In the arena, we not lie low. A good sense in me, there is all I grow. Rastafari now.
I can imagine you touching your private parts, and just the thought of you can't help but touch myself. I want you so bad. Just one night, you there inside me. Do it again. You know I want you so bad. Baby, baby, baby. Ooh, I get so high when I'm around you. Baby, come and talk to Tony, baby. You make my temperature rise. You know you can make baby, baby, baby.
Welcome back, family and friends. We're here on the outskirts, as you know, and I told you that there's a lot of action going on, just as much on the inside. I caught up with a gentleman here who's a huge reggae star on the rise. Isn't that true? His name is The Grey Show. Hi, welcome.
Hey, Ramon, what's up? How you doing?
I'm feeling so good. I feel the coolness of the air outside. How are you feeling? How has it been?
I'm feeling good, man, out here in Mobile after Sumfest. Good vibes.
And who you went to see today?
Really, Lila Ike and Protege, and definitely Tony Braxton. And it was a great vibe. She delivered, man. Love it.
Who delivered? Lila Ike or Tony Braxton?
But for a while ago I was speaking about Tony Braxton specifically.
Tony Braxton. Yeah. What are some of your favorite Tony Braxton songs?
Unbreak My Heart. That one they really stand out. I remember all of them, man.
Yeah.
That one I like.
All right, and you are friends, I believe, with Lila and Protege. I mean, you're colleagues in the game.
Yeah.
For those of us who might not know who you are and your music, give me a little sample and give me a talk and make we know.
So yeah, man, The Grey Show is with me. TheGrei. SHOW. If you want to find me on any platform. or follow up the music. So we do most of the music and creative stuff in all forms, isn't it? From producing to writing, this is writing for foreigners or the Dirty Rock. Is big up Dirty Rock. We produce Protege. And from long time when Nina just a warm up his I really want to need water. Wow. And somebody that just to put on the chart. So they want to say, he's going to big up the greatest voice from Mona Samuels. First choice.
All right, welcome back, and we're officially backstage, seasoned in the game, and I'm here with Paris from Showtime Services. Hello, Paris. How are you?
I'm good. Enjoying the show.
I noticed that tonight you're all dressed up, looking like a hot lady, showing off the body and the pretty face. Last night you were in black and you were working hard.
Yes, working. Mm-hmm. But today I'm in black, but I just had something in my suitcase. Answer wasn't there, so it was only option. Mm-hmm. And everyone is like, they're not used to it, so they're like, we're pricing up our uniform.
Definitely, you're looking good, honey. Those of us who may not know what Showtime Services is, tell us your role and why you're here overall.
Okay, so Showtime Services is a management booking agency. We do production, we do audition, stage management, we put together the whole show, event management, concerts and all the good stuff. We have a couple of artists under our belts. You just have to follow us on Instagram at Showtime_services, and you get to see everyone who we have under our belts, and you get to know what we do because we post a lot of content as well.
Nice. What have you noticed about tonight versus last night? You were working, it was very busy. Tonight you're partying and enjoying, but what are some of the standout differences that you have seen?
Okay, so last night we had Shani Lemire and Skeng done. All of the clients that worked were really our clients that we booked for.
Nice.
But we managed Shani and Skeng. So we had them yesterday. Of course, it's going to be hectic because our clients are working. Mm-hmm. So it was like a hectic environment. It was crazy. But we got the job done and everyone executed. And both of my clients, every artist performed well, but my clients did what they were supposed to do. You know, they came with the A game, and my team did what they had to do as well. They managed it very well. We all managed well. We worked together as a team, and we did what we had to do. Today, I came to party and to relax and watch the show and enjoy. Everything was amazing. So calm.
And some are lose them, we reroute. Not turn my back on the real youth. All who genuine, we recruit them. And all who are just them no smoke, them no sick, and them no have no pink eye. So down a jungle, and down a river, and down a 2 mile, and over plainland, and over back to, and over waterhouse. Girl, take a beer me there, so me I say, tell them say me proud of who me is, me proud of who me is, me proud of dungeon, that's how we come from. So Father God never sleep in work, and him no make no mistake. Limit on your friends and hear me out now. Some people stop by obstacles, my journey's continue. Every single day he will be taunting you. Babylon always looking something to blow from you. Some people stop by obstacles, my journey's continue. Devil is always gonna be round haunting you. Every single day he will be taunting. All of them lights are where we have. Look for mama light in a sunfest. No worry about your blessing, where's your protein, they are heaven. The man come into water pearl, dressing up on everything, on them. Don't let them go. Oh yeah, your mother, where's your protein, they are heaven. She a come into water pearl, dressing up.
Fire, fire in a head. They can't this rasta pimp. Yo, fire, fire, fire in a head. They can't this. Everybody in a sunface. Maybe I tell them for the most tighter.
Deliver me
through my troubles
and trials that comfort me.
Tell your mama hungry,
hungry,
and brother hungry,
hungry.
Do something for the poor.
Yo, stop you reading, man. I want
the future can't go around them. Emma, talk to them, mommy.
As I rise, I'ma fight you. Mama tell you why me not light up. I know TikTok, yeah, I'ma snipe you. But I don't see clear like
Just keep more stronger. You're the macassip, that them not really know me. No way. Not even little love them woulda show me.
Welcome back, family and friends. Now we're going to have a lovely conversation with the beautiful Disha Records. I haven't seen you in a minute, but I know that you're doing your stuff. Update us on what's going on with you.
Right now, as everybody knows, I'm into fashion a lot. So, I'm a stylist. And the name Disha Records, I'm actually a producer now. So, I have a few projects coming out, but I wait for a special person's album, a special artist album to come out. So, the producing part of the name, the brand Disha, can just execute the right way. You see me? So, for now, it's just the styling, producing, and I have a little secret to make a little, but not right now.
In terms of last night and tonight, what have been the standout moments for you and maybe some of the lows, perhaps?
Alright, so I was really anticipating Skeng performance, and he actually delivered. Like, I can't even go around that. The whole Joker thing. Alright, class. And Governor, yeah man, you take the show like for true. Like for real.
Sumfest you see it, war them a study, yes. So them deal with it, the bloody, yes. Battlefield could have slippery arm body, yes. Sumfest let me hear, hey, me day upon the lava ground. When overlook 50 we maga, I put themselves through the lava. I love the Sumfest. Let the book of life, the book of life. Sip the water from the brook of life. Sumfest ale and Sumfest ladies. Say your true. Yeah. Whoa. He's a clear. Next is gonna wicked look at life. Let's look at knife, juke at life. Dash them, let them wave and all them book at life. Someone them wing to go to heaven. Turn it up and up. While them a bow down and a worship them images. Sumfest shining light. Celestine never wrong nor fall. Skilling me, I live like privilege. Hey Sumfest, to life give praises for these infinite stages. Me nah both in no way. Me born punani mouth for a reason. A legion, a demon, a pray. Shh. I one drop, I can't keep it. One drop. Sumfest. Me born punani mouth for a reason. A legion, a beam, and a pray, man. Give thanks to life which is infinite. Some rather funeral and big night. Where they them try kill the kush with a lil. Drunker them a go on like a mirror. Them not realize how good it is to be as clear. She ready to live up. Give thanks she start. No matter mama, papa, not if auntie. She happy right, Rasta donkey. Love the beat of the baseline. She's an evil and she's smart. I say she's more than beautiful. And she loves. Them can't give her no money if you take her panty off. I drink her with no fancy talk. So Sumfest, touch her softly, and she erupted short. Then she said, oh, you make my day. Need like seed. So what me do? Me touch her softly, erupted shortly. She said, oh, that's a fun.
I just caught up with a lovely security lady from Optimum Private Protection. She's been working last night hard. She's working hard tonight. Not just her, a whole group of them, because it takes a host of security personnel to make this Sumfest go on good.
Yes.
Oh, my son. What's your name, darling?
Michelle.
Hi, Michelle.
Nice meeting you. Well, last night here at the Reggae Sumfest, it was a great experience. Yes, at the gate we don't have a lot of tassels, but it was great. Yes, we all our grounds, all our composer, me and the supervisor was there, and we carried the best of our best abilities.
I noticed that last night got very tight and almost very rough. You said on your side there were no tasseling, but what have you observed, or what did you observe in terms of when it got really heavy?
When when it really gets heavy on us, we try to hold firm and put out a force to have a access control with the crowd because we're working with a firm team and our boss there. Yes, give us a hand. Yes, bring us everywhere. Optimum Security Company, one of the best around town.
Sumfest, how you doing? My people be free and no one leads us. Take control of your life, of course, and be held down by no evil. Who the most I bless no wizard can curse. Knowledge is a key that no one leads. And take control of your life, of Sumfest, how you doing? Oh, boy. Where my lioness them there? Where my lioness them there? I hear you. Hey, what is the routine? Repeat again. The lioness no follow but no fashion. Some little girls in know them place and get this in your ears. Remember and know everything you want to embrace. Empress no watch no face and keep the fire. Ganja man talking. Bless me, mighty Jah bless me, so nothing can press me, bless me, mighty Jah bless me. To keep me warm and safe, make sure the children have health and shade. Sumfest one more time, sing it out.
It's mine to do anything I want to, and it's mine. And I use it any way I want to. Well, listen up. We kill less for workers of iniquity. Rastafari are my security. Whoa, and I'm a love. Pull it up. I simple thing, I your hey, simple thing, I your oh, simple thing, them are your blessing. Hey, but you don't notice a blessing. A simple thing, are your blessing. Simple thing, are your blessing. You know I'll be your friend, cause I'm in your corner. I'm in your corner. I'm in your corner, friend. Oh, I'm in your corner. And I'm never gonna let you down. We've been together for a while now. Hey, growing stronger every day now. Feels so good and there is no doubt. Hey, I will say, boy,
Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? I love living this way.
hey, sure, I love living this way. Let's go loving and it can't expire. I will say, Jaja never answer prayer. You know what I say?
You are the loving baby, but
How when you hold me?
and if you call me, we go.
Alright, baby.
Now let's go. Love is like that.
And if you can't wait, sing. I was cool. Yeah, and I wanted. I never knew anyone so one of a kind.
She's saying how much she need me, oh yeah. She's saying how she would never leave me, oh no. While she got her eyes all over me, staring at me. She said she wanna be the one for me. No matter what may come, she would never leave me, oh no. Even when I'm down and out and so lonely, by the fire to shake, oh, leave a breath for children. Oh,
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am here with Chester Miller, and you did an amazing tribute to Dennis Brown. We were interacting on stage. The audience is near and far. They love you. Your voice is melodic. Give us a talk.
Well, I found it a little bit difficult when I saw you up there in the front of the stage. Because, you know, as I'm sure you noticed, I was singing to you most of the time. I did not know you were on TV personality.
Yes.
If I had known that, I would have sang more to you.
Oh, Jesus.
But I can sing now to you if you want.
Oh yes, sing to us, darling.
Anyway, it's been a pleasure, and I just want to thank Taras Riley for having us on his set. And as I said before, Joe Bogdanovich, Copeland Forbes, Mr. Robert Livingston, who reached out and invited me to come to the tribute to the legends, Sumfest 25.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so very much. Let us know where we can find you online, because we want to keep up with your music.
Yes, man. You can find me on Instagram. I am Chester Miller. You can also find me on Facebook, Chester Miller, and you can find me on what's the other one? TikTok.
TikTok.
You can find me on TikTok as Chester Miller Music. Yeah, and you can find some original works that I've been working on with my awesome producer, Mr. Tim Dub. We've been working for the last 4 years with some amazing productions. So you're going to be hearing a lot more from me. This is just the stepping stones.
Stepping stones. After such an excellent set, we're definitely looking forward to knowing you and your music. Thank you so very much.
You're a beautiful, beautiful lady.
Wonderful.
Do you know what it means to have a revolution and what it takes to make a solution? Yes, I am Chester Miller, and we're here on Mona Samuels TV. Yeah, what a pleasure. You all been so professional, and I feel honored that you guys took the time out to ask me some questionnaires. And yes, you'll be hearing a lot more from me. And as I said before, come look for me on Instagram and TikTok and all the social media. Original from Chester Miller. Run, run, come, listen to the musical sound, yeah, yes. Run, run, come, this is reggae music, yeah. Hey, aye.
Sumfest, are you ready? Come on. Number one. Sumfest, are you ready? I heard you said to me, you wanna be my number one. Thank you.
Tree clay, ragamuffin, just so rude up the town. We run things here and you run things. Yes, you run things over there.
And we rule.
A ragamuffin,
Come on and rule.
a ragamuffin.
Yes, we rule.
I'm here with the gentleman right now who just did a very impressive performance. His name is Terrence Wallen. You made Gregory Isaacs look good. I felt like he was there on stage. You have the look, you have the voice. Talk to us.
Thank you very much. Now, it's such a pleasure to be able to perform at Reggae Sumfest. It's my first time performing in Jamaica as well. So my parents are homegrown because I'm born in the UK. And it's just amazing to pay tribute to such legends who have paved the way for myself and Chester and other people who do tributes to such greats like that. And Gregory is a general, as you know.
A general, and it was something that was a surprise, and how you did it so well, the audience interaction.
Yes.
Loved it so much. Tell us about where you're from exactly and how we can get in touch with you online to follow your music.
Okay, so I'm from Birmingham in England, and you can find me on all the socials. It's Terrence Wallen or Sir Terrence. Terrence has got one R, T-E-R-E-N-C. Wallen is W-A-L-L-E-N. There's not many Terrence Wallens anyway, so you can't miss me.
Right. And before you go, what's your favorite Gregory Isaacs song?
My favorite Gregory is actually Slave Master, but I love performing Front Door and Night Nurse.
Right. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having us.
It was such a great close to the final night of Reggae Sumfest.
Thanks again. Thanks for having me. Love us.
Go and tell her you're sorry. You ain't too big to apologize, no. Oh no. And if you care that much about her, you better treat my sisters nice. Yeah, yeah. Went to a dance last Saturday night. I was feeling tipsy and the mood was right. Sight a little daughter, so I step in at the corner. Oh, we all, cause I feel like dancing all night.
Lord. Yeah, man. Love and love all the while, you know. Mona, thank you very much. Every time. God bless. Hi, I'm Terrence Wallen from the UK, aka Mr. Cool, the new cool ruler, and you're watching Ramona Samuels. Love all time.
We're having so much fun. We almost forgot that it's basically over. We're here in the media room, and I caught up with a very mentionable name, DJ Styler. For those of you who don't know, let the man talk and tell you him is the man.
Okay, so I wear various hats actually. So I'm a DJ, as she said, DJ Styler. I'm also a licensed visa and work permit agent. So artists that wish to come to the UK to entertain, I'm the person that would give them their work permit and facilitate their visas.
Right.
As well as booking agents. So we organize artists that are booked on shows in England. We do contracts and so forth. And also, I'm part of a media production company called Carib Culture, and we spread the Caribbean culture around the world. Out of many podcasts, we're literally bridging the gap between Jamaica and the UK. That's what we do.
Sounds very well. Sounds very needed right now in the industry or here at Reggae Sumfest.
Exactly.
Tell me about what you have observed since night 1, night 2, and the close.
Well, I've observed that in England, they said that dancehall is on the decline and Afrobeat is on the rise, and I'm here to tell you that's a lie.
Oh.
That is a lie. Big up to Vibes Cartel. I think since he's came out of incarceration, he's literally like brought dancehall to a whole another level again. Made dancehall nice again. It was always nice, but he made dancehall nice again. I really enjoyed night 1. I enjoyed Governor's performance. I enjoyed Massacre. I enjoyed Vibes Cartel and Spice, the little band that they have. Especially reggae night. Actually, I enjoyed Taurus Riley because he was singing, like really singing. So big up singing. Yeah, big up him. But no, I enjoyed the whole of Sumfest. I love Jamaica. It's a pleasure to be here, and I'm coming back next year.
And you're originally from the United Kingdom?
I am indeed, but my family are Jamaican.
How many times have you been to Jamaica so far?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I don't know how to answer that. Okay, this year alone I've been here 5-6 times.
Okay. Yeah, doing lots of business?
Yeah, I do business, I do work, but I also take vacations as well. So now I'm here for work, and I'm going home next Friday, but I'm coming back on the 6th of August for vacation.
But you're not saying. Now, what would you like to say to upcoming artists? Because as you said, you wear many hats, you deal with this and that.
Yes.
Let them know, because professionalism sometimes is missing, and structure is a big factor that's also missing sometimes. What can you let them know?
That's a very good question, Ramona. So actually, a lot of artists approach me. They come into my DMs, and how they approach me, it's kind of crazy. Like, people will say, like, give me the interview. I mean, like, yo, I don't even know who you are. Like, so professionalism, your approach. It's always good to network, always reach out, but make sure you're professional with your approach. Make sure you have a bio. Make sure you have a good product. Like, don't send me a song that doesn't sound good. It's not mixed right. So get your business in line first. Make sure your product is good, and then network, because you're going to make people just not even look at you before you even, start. So my advice would be, if you don't have a good product, that's fine, but at least have a good approach, have a good bio, and then you'll get through certain doors. So that would be my advice to you guys out there. And just keep networking, man. Look out for people like myself, Ramona. Keep networking, Keep
I
networking.
like how you mentioned, make sure you have a bio and have a good approach. One thing that I've always said to artists is send your songs as well labeled and titled. You send songs with 123400098. I'm not sure what that is. It's a file, but if we were to download it, it goes missing. It has to be titled. It has to be labeled. I used to play on radio.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. I know. I could tell already.
Them all the time, and I'm happy that you're here to reiterate it. And
no,
reinforce.
seriously, it's really important. I've received so many files and they're called AUD 12357. It's lost. As soon as it is my laptop, I don't know where it is. It's gone. So please label your files. It's so important. As Ramona said, label your files, all right?
Oh, Jesus. Thank you so very much.
You're very welcome.
Styler, your accent, it's got me talking in a particular way. I hope I can master it.
All right, what we're going to do, all right? You're going to get in the British accent, and I'm going to try to get in some patois. Let's go.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here live at Reggae Sumfest backstage media room. I'm tapping into the British style of things, and DJ Styler, what is he going to say?
Bad. Well, me I go say me there with Ramona backstage. I should have said side stage coming on. Me don't want to get no white. Side stage, me there. Ramona, big up yourself, all right? Thing good?
Yeah, man, the thing large already. You done that.
That is
it's all about the culture. Whether it be the United States, the United Kingdom, Africa, Ghana, Zimbabwe, big up on yourself.
That is it.
All right.
Just
now,
like
I want, since we're here together, and we're in similar, what I mean, same industry, but similar roles. Even though you're a big businessman, we're getting there. I want us to close the show together. Thank you very much, Alex. Is reminding me about the Voice Box. The Voice Box, the first ever registered Voice Box in Jamaica. Voice Over Productions and XYZ doing Reggae Sumfest coverage. That is definitely me. I'm the founder of such, and now Ramona Samuels TV is the platform where DJ Styler And I want to bring up my sponsors, my presenting sponsor, Prince the Bruce Perfume House, Jamaica's Perfume House, Ice Slayer Studio, Glam Sense Divas Beauty Bar. We have a whole host of others, oh my God. Island Tours and Transfers. Yes, Kingston Jerk. I've got to say it again. Prince the Bruce Perfume House, Metrocine TV, Glam Sense Divas Beauty Bar, Kingston Jerk, CK Island Tours, Ice Slayer Studio. A massive turnout last night at Reggae Sumfest Night 2. Smooth, going so well. DJ Styler, my big bridging director, Alex. Is it me I say? Alex Fast, Alexander Bryan, producer and also director. I'm having a ball. I'm having so much fun. DJ Styler, you take it away.
No man, people should bad. I forgot in player. People like me, me need advice there. Alright, we need to talk seriously off here. We have to talk. Seriously, guys, any single accent, any single any single brand that you heard us say, support them, yeah? The whole of them. Just support them. Hear that? And out for many podcasts, check us out. Carib Culture. We're in the building. And all you guys back home in England, UK, don't be afraid to come to Jamaica, because there's this crazy narrative out there that when you come to Jamaica, don't leave the all-inclusive resort. No, you can leave. You can go and support the people, the locals, visit Sumfest every single year. That is it. DJ Styler, I'm out. Thank you very much.
Wow, this Reggae Sumfest has been a very memorable month. I'm so glad that I came out with the crew after a long drive from Kingston. Oh my God. Reggae Sumfest 2025. No doubt about it. 2 big nights that we've been a part of, ladies and gentlemen. And we feel very, very full, and we feel that we accomplished what we came here to do. Night 1 and night 2 of the performances, even though it was a 7-day festival, they do it every year. We're so proud that the Voice Box was able to produce coverage of Reggae Sumfest, and we thank our sponsors every single time. Remember to check the description, ladies and gentlemen, so you can know the websites and the IG handles of our sponsors who made it possible for the Voice Box and Ramona Samuels TV to be at Reggae Sumfest. We're talking about Prince the Bruce Perfume House, Jamaica's Perfume House, Metrocine TV, Glam Sense Divas Beauty Bar, Kingston Jerk, CK Island Tours, Ice Slayer Studio. And you know how it did go, because you see it and you watch it. So it the heavy and it the high. No? You did not say that the hard work of them come out, and it's not just about the sponsors, but who is behind the scenes, behind the camera, as a creative director, as a director, as a co-producer, said Speed. Alex Fast, don't it? Alexander Bryan, yeah man, for putting that big up there strong, because it's a team of us. Bianca Foster, who was our production assistant, as well as a 17-year-old coming up strong in the thing. And we're just so happy that the culture is still alive. We're just so happy that there are events like these to bring Jamaicans together all over from the diaspora, uniting because we love what it is that Jamaicans have to present as a people, as musicians, as creatives, as business people, businessmen and women, and the amalgamation of all the different types of brands that made Reggae Sumfest 2025 ready, and vibes show that it is. 33 years strong. I am Ramona Samuels, and the crowning of the king was done. All right? Who not like it, you can go bite it. Oh my God, don't do that, because we respect everybody and their views. I'm Ramona Samuels signing out. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, family and friends. It's a big station. Now watch nothing.